Hi guys, in front of me is iPhone on iOS 16 and let me show you how to set up and customize Siri. So at first open the settings, then find and select Siri and search, and now click on listen for Hey Siri. So if you wish to activate it, just tap on continue, and now you have to see those words. Hey Siri. Hey Siri, send a message. Hey Siri, how's the weather today? Hey Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, please play some music. Then click on done, and as you can see, your Siri is active. From now on, you can ask her to do anything. Let me show you, for example, how to activate Spotify. Hey Siri, please open Spotify. And here you've got it. So this is how it works. Enjoy. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.